So using HTML, we can create a web pages. First, you have to open a text editor, notepad, and so here we can start the program using opening tag and closing HTML tag. So here I have opened h1 tag and here I have closed with /h1. Welcome to my new session. I am Shweta, Computer Science faculty, Vidyashram College, Mysore. In my last session, I have discussed about some basic terms in web and basic concepts of HTML. I have started HTML language. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So using HTML, we can create a web pages and websites. So how to create a web pages using HTML codes? First, you have to open a text editor, notepad, and you can type the HTML codes. So document, type, this is a declaration of your document. And so here doc type is a declaration tag is used by the web browser to understand the version of the HTML used in the document. You can type the programs using text editor. So your file extension should be filename.html. File extension should be filename.html. So first you have to open a text editor and type the code in text editor. So you can save the file in this extension filename.html. And that will save in your browser. So the file name will save in your Google Chrome. And current version of HTML is 5 and it makes use of the following declaration. I will explain the declaration of current version of HTML. So present we are using HTML 5. And what are the basic HTML document? Let us understand one by one. So here we have document, declaration, doc type HTML. So this is your root of this HTML program. So this is your starting tag and this is ending tag. So here we can start the program using opening tag and closing HTML tag. So this is starting tag and this is ending tag. So first open HTML tag and next step is head. So inside the head, I will write title. So you can give any title inside the head and you can close this head. So wherever you open the tag, you must close the tag also. So here I have opened HTML and I am closing HTML tag. And I opened head tag. So here I have closed head tag with /. This is opening tag and this is closing tag with /. And after that, I will write body tag. Inside the body tag, we can give heading, paragraph, etc. So example, assume that you are using browser. So inside the browser, you will get some contents, right? So it will come under the body tag. So inside the body tag, whatever you are giving the content, that will show in your content page. Clear? So open body tag. So inside a body tag, you can give any contents like heading, paragraph, images, tables, etc. So open body tag and after that have written H1. H1 means heading 1 and simultaneously close head 1, heading 1 and have written P. P stands for paragraph. So if you want to write one or more line in your content, so you can use paragraph tag. So P, open P tag and close P tag and body tag. So after that I will close this body tag and with HTML tag. So this is your basic structure of HTML program. So how to execute this with practical I will show you. So as I told you, inside the body tag, you can give heading, paragraph, tables, images, etc. Right? So how many headings we can display in your content? Heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to H6, we can give the headings. So H1 to H6. So here you can give any other content. So here I have opened H1 tag and here have closed with /H1 and H2 and close H2 with / and H3 and close this H3 tag and H4 and H5 /H5, H6 /H6. So like this you can give the headings for your contents. So H1 to H6 you can give the headings. And inside a body tag, I can give this headings, paragraphs and many other things. So inside a body tag, I have written the headings H1 to H6 and I will close this body tag with /. Next is paragraph tag. So if you want to add one or more than one line in your content, so you can go for P tag. P tag means paragraph tag. So you can give different paragraphs in your content and each paragraph of text should go in between an opening P and closing P tag. Clear? And inside a body tag, you can give this paragraph content. So this is your example. So how to give paragraph in your HTML code. So body tag, inside a body tag, I will give paragraph. Here is the first paragraph of text and you can close the first paragraph. And second line is, here is the second paragraph and you can close this second paragraph. And here is the third paragraph of text. So you can close the paragraph. So opening P and closing P. So if you want to give any break, so you can write this break tag. For break tag, there is no closing for break tag. So if you want to go for the next step, you can give break tag and close this body tag. So this is your paragraph tags. And next is line break tag. Whenever you use the break element, anything following is start from the next line. So if you want to jump for the next line, you can give this break tag. This is break tag. This tag is an example of an empty element where you do not need opening and closing tags. There is no opening and closing tags as there is nothing to go in between them. So this is only for giving the break between the paragraphs. The break tag has a space between the characters BR and the /. Break and /. Character is BR and then /. This is break tag, line break tag. So example for break tag is, so inside a body have given P, hello and have given break. And next is you delivered your assignment on time. Again I will give break and thanks and I will give break. So next I will close the paragraph. So like this you can give the break between the characters and you can close the body tag. So very simple concept. So tag is very important. So opening tag and closing tag should be proper in HTML. And next is horizontal lines. So horizontal lines are used to visually break up sections of a document. So visually break up section. Example, here I have written one paragraph and again have written one more paragraph. So if you want to give one break, so you can go for horizontal lines, that is called as HR tag. Horizontal line. So you can give HR tag. It creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. So it breaks the lines. So here I have two paragraphs. So in between I have given HR tag. For example, you may want to give a line between two paragraphs. Understand the concept? So here I have two paragraphs. I have written one line here because I have used this HR tag for give the line between two paragraphs. You can use this horizontal line tags. And next is, so here are the example for horizontal line. So inside a body tag, I will give the paragraph, first paragraph, and again I will give HR slash, and here I will give, this is a paragraph 2 and should be at bottom. So this is first paragraph and second paragraph. Inside I have given horizontal line tag. So you can close this body tag. My dear students, HTML is very simple concept. It's very simple coding technique. So understand the concept and understand the tags. Easily you can prepare your own website. So these are the examples for heading, paragraph, line break and horizontal. So now I will show you one small demo. So first step, how to open this notepad. I will show you now how to open the notepad. Go to search button and you can type notepad. So you'll get one small screen. So this is my HTML layout. So first, so here if you want to open a new document, you can click Ctrl+N or you can go for new command. And if you want to open a new window, so if you want to open an existing document, you can go for Ctrl+O or open command. So here already have prepared two files for you. File 1.html. The file extension for HTML is filename.html. So the file extension should be filename.html. Don't forget this. So if you want to open an existing file, you can go for Ctrl+O or open. So already have prepared one file for you, file 1.html. Have saved in desktop and you can open this file. So already have prepared one file. So first is document type, declaration of document, and so first tag, you can observe the first tag here, HTML. I have opened HTML tag. So first I have opened this HTML tag. This is your root of this program, root of this tags, and I have closed the HTML tag. So first is opening tag and this is closing tag. And after that I have opened head tag, and here inside the head tag I have written title. So inside the head I have written the title. Let me increase the font size please. So I will give 18. So here first I have written document type, doc type HTML. This is your document declaration and this is your root of this tags. So first root is HTML. First you need to open HTML tag. Then after writing the codes, you can close HTML tag with /. And after opening this HTML tag, I have written head tag, and inside the head tag I have written this title, whatever the title you want, you can type here. So inside the title I have written Vidyashram Pre-University College. So after that you can close this title with / and have closed head tag also. And after that I have written body tag. So inside a body tag you can give any contents, that is heading, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So if you want to give 3 more headings, you can give H1 to H6 headings, and also I have written paragraph. So if you want to give 1 or more lines, you can go for paragraph tag. So open P and have closed P tag also, and I have closed body tag. So inside the body tag, I have written this contents and have opened and have closed this HTML tag. After writing the codes, please check the codes properly. HTML open tag should be there and closing tag should be there. And head tag, open head tag and have closed head also. And open body tag and have closed body tag with /. So after that, you can save your file. Go to file menu and click on save. And if you want to change any format, so you can go for, if you want to change the font size, font colors, you can go for this. And if you want to change the font letters and if you want to make it bold, italic, regular, so you can use this. And if you want to increase the size or decreasing the size, you can go for this font and you can click OK. So after preparing this coding, you can minimize this and go to your desktop. So here the file will save in Google Chrome. You can observe this. So first file is file. Click on this. So you will get the content page. So I have given 3 headings, right? Heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. I have given 3 headings and also I have given the paragraph Vidya Ashram Pre-University College, Mysore. So this is your content page. So this page will save in your Google Chrome. And again, if you want to make any changes, so you can go for Notepad and you can make any changes in documents. So now I will make some changes here. I will add HR tag, horizontal line tag, HR/, and again I will add one more paragraph, P tag, open P tag and all first PUC and second PUC students. So close this P tag, save this, Ctrl S, I saved this file again and minimize this. So here we got one horizontal line between these 2 paragraphs. Clear? So here this is your first paragraph and this is your second paragraph I have written, but inside these 2 paragraphs I have given HR/, right? HR means horizontal line. I have given one horizontal line. Like this you can design your own website. I will change the screen color. Body BG color, COLOR, you can give COLOR is equal to green color I will give. So close the tag and again I will give the font colors. If you want to change the font color, you can give font color is equal to, and I'll give blue and close the tag and save this. I will save this file again, Ctrl S, or you can go for command and minimize this screen and can open this. So I have changed the font color and screen color also. So again, if you want to make any changes of the colors, you can again change the color. So here I will give light blue. So again save the file and here I will give orange and save this again. So I have changed the colors. So like this you can design your own website. Easily you can design your own website using HTML codes. So my dear students, in my next session I will show you how to add image in your website, and also I will discuss about unordered list and ordered list. Thank you.